3, let's do it!
Ivan. Hi everybody, this is Ivan. 大家好，我是 Ivan。首先想跟大家拜一个早年，祝大家龙年行大运，还有做生意的生意越来越好，还有小孩子的读书学业进步，大人身体健健康康。Today we'll be covering a special Lunar New Year event. It's called the Bountiful Spring with Lego, happening at Suntec City, Singapore from the 18th of January to the 25th of February this year. So here is a little quick tip for you. At the event space, you can take this event card, which is called the Long Quest for Wisdom, and it will remind you the event dates are from 18 January to the 25th Feb 2024. Opening timing from 10:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, so when you open up this card, you will see that you have to complete 3 different stations. The first one is Auspicious Lucky Bubbles.
Second, so I press on her 10, the countdown. Are you ready? Okay, okay. Shift the. Okay. Demonstration. Go. Oh my god! Oh, you're doing very well.
Second is the Drum Up the Dragon.
Okay, we have this lady trying out here. Now, try to steal a bit for extra points, of course. With a minimum score of 18 gold pearls, you can receive a stamp on your crest card. Anyone wants to try? Shane?
And third station will be the Bridge of Rushing Rapids. Sorry.
Okay, you'll try later, okay? So this is the first station now, Auspicious Lucky Bubble Station. Okay, let's move on to the next station. This one. Slightly.
So these are the 3 different stations over here. And of course, if you want to do more, there's other event proof like the Memory Maker photo booth and the making a happy Lunar New Year wish. You can actually write down your wish and then paste it on the wall at the event station as well. For a bonus station, there's a spot and win. All you need to do is just spot and count the Lego gold coins that is found within the all the different event diorama as well as the build up, and scan the QR code over here. Okay, I'll just bring up the QR code for you to scan. You can actually scan it digitally, and then you can just submit it, and with a chance to win Lego sets worth more than $120. At the back of the card, there's a friendly reminder for the Lego mascot appearance that will happen on the 17th, 18th, 24th, 25th of February, the timing and the location of the Lego mascot appearance. When you enter the event space, you'll be flanked by 2 huge Lego diorama built by the builder teams from Titan's Creation. It's a water team. It's called the Waves of Wealth, and the other
Just kindly offer the help. Thank you. Okay, this is the first station, ladies and gentlemen, Auspicious Lucky Bubble Station. Now this is very simple. So we have a Lego technique dragon claw. Okay, Shane is doing it. Okay. Now what you need to do is you grab as many lucky bubbles as you can in 1 minute. So there's a timer here. Okay, and then the more you collect, the better your luck will be on top of the dragon here. Now,
and the other one is a street team called the Streets of Abundance. And of course, videos can only do so much in terms of showing you what are the little details. I would still advise you to visit the venue space and have a look for yourself.
especially this Chinese mosaic made out of Lego. You can see that all the Chinese characters are made with Lego, and this red and white very auspicious mosaic with a gold coin dragon eye. And of course, there's a sale area with many different latest 2024 Lego sets that are available for you to purchase. And there is also a chance for you to get the special GWP that is only exclusive to this event. If you like this video, do remember to like, subscribe and share this video. It will go a long way for us to go with this channel. Thank you.